हाय गाइस, देखो वो जिंदा है। अबे मर थोड़ी गई थी मैं। Hey guys, welcome back to Crazynic, where we do crazy things uniquely. This is your girl Swikriti, and I know it's been very long, but it's time. So, college has been very hectic. I'm in my fourth semester. That is the reason I'm not being able to be super active on YouTube. But maybe 2026 is the year.
Okay.
I'm trying to change the type of content I make. Vlogs will be coming, but मैं vlogs तब बनाती हूँ जब बहुत ही मज़ा आ रहा होता है मुझे लाइफ में, जो कि हमेशा नहीं आ रहा होता. I am flabbergasted by the amount of issues I've had this year around friendships. Girl, I'm not okay. But today we are not talking about that. Subscribe कर लो, क्या पता 2 साल बाद मैं अपना low drop करूँ जब college खत्म हो जाए. I will do that. But we are reading strangers' friendship issues today because unsolicited टिप्पणी देने में किसको मज़ा नहीं आता है. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. Am I the arschloch for not talking to my ex-best friend even if she is putting efforts to have a friendship with me? Oh my god, I think I have a lot I can say in this department. Let me do this. So, ex-best friend 17 female started dating my boyfriend 17 male when he and I 17 female was still together. What? This happened 6 months ago and we broke off our friendship after that. As you should. Now recently she reached out to me saying how sorry she was and wanted us to rekindle our friendship. But I refused and explained that I cannot forgive her for what she did and did not want to have any contact with her. She later texted me that her and my ex broke up and she really needed a friend. Oh my god, that is so selfish. Why do you need a friend now when you already had a friend जिसको तुमने betray कर दिया? So here is some background. Oh, we love background. When I caught them cheating, she basically said that she was sorry and she couldn't help it and said that I should be happy for her.
कौन है ये लोग?
Our other friends agreed and said that I should be more understanding towards her as she was struggling mentally and my ex was keeping her mentally okay.
कहाँ से आते हैं ये?
Who are these friends? You should cut off all your friends. I cut all of her and our mutual friends out. Good. For someone like me, cutting off people is the hardest thing I had to do. But in this case, you have to cut it down. कैसे लोग हैं भाई? She now texts me saying she needs a friend. Her other friends cut her off. Are we surprised? And regrets what she did to me and said that I should not destroy our friendship of 13 years over a boy. Over a boy that was her boyfriend, for God's sake. But I don't want to talk to you, so am I the arschloch? Obviously not. You're not the arschloch. No. Oh my. Every single day I get to know more about the type of people that exist out there, and the more I'm baffled about it. You're not in the wrong. Let's see what others have said in the comment section. LOL, the one who destroyed a 13-year friendship over a boy is her. You have the right idea, move on and make better friends, not the arschloch. Exactly. Not the arschloch, you're right, you can't trust her. Without trust, there is no friendship, whether you forgive her or not. Her needing a friend is her problem, not a you problem. You are much better off without her. Tell her she broke the girl code and there is no coming back from that. And if she ended up without friends, it isn't your fault, it's hers. Exactly. You deserve much better than that. Am I the arschloch for trying to repair my broken friendship that I low-key ruined? I, 18 female, Rachel, came to college with my best friend, male 18 Bob, and it ruined our relationship. I was having a hard time emotionally with our relationship and had an unhealthy attachment around the beginning of college. It felt like our relationship was dying because it wasn't the same anymore. However, whenever I had a hard time, I tend to distance myself and bottle up my emotions. Relatable. Bob and I ended up having a conversation a month ago on my terms, and throughout the conversation it made it seem like I didn't want to have a friendship anymore. Wait, throughout the conversation he made it seem like, or you made it seem like? I can acknowledge that I worded you made it seem like maybe. I can acknowledge that I worded things wrong and gave the impression that I didn't care about Bob anymore. However, I realized that I do value Bob a lot, and the reason I gave that impression I didn't care anymore was because I wanted to break away from the unhealthy attachment. My attachment to him made it feel like I couldn't function outside myself, but from his perspective, it probably seemed like I didn't care. Okay, I do understand what she is trying to say here. I had a friend जिसको उसकी तरफ से लगता था कि they were helping me all the time, but मुझे लगता था कि they were not really being of much help. I need a lot more understanding. I need a lot more reassurance in my friendships. I want people to understand कि यार मेरे को बस ठीक हो जाएगा ये बोल के चीज़ें नहीं होती मेरे साथ. But they were trying to do that, and that's their way of handling friendship. But मेरे लिए वो reciprocate नहीं हो रहा था. It seemed like I didn't care, but they were trying to put in efforts. उनके लिए वो efforts थे, मेरे लिए नहीं थे, इसलिए I wanted to cut off. I texted him a paragraph a week ago telling him how much he means to me and how I want him there. However, Bob replied a few days later and said that it seemed like I was demanding a lot from Bob emotionally, that I didn't want to put in the efforts and I didn't really consider Bob's feelings, and that we wouldn't be close anymore. Bob said that I seemed distant around the beginning of college and kept saying how much I wanted to be alone, so he was trying to give me space. But it made it seem like I was demanding more of him than he was already trying to give me. I replied an hour late and held accountability for my own actions, telling Bob I shouldn't have handled the situation the way I did, and that I do appreciate him for trying to give me space, that I do think our relationship is worth fighting for, as well as numerous things. I was just trying to hold accountability and not make it about my emotions. I fear that I was making it about me instead of listening to what he was saying, but I'm just not sure what he wants. He never replied to my second paragraph. The situation feels worse than it is, and I can admit that it's a lot of miscommunication on both of our ends. I'm trying to communicate with him and try to work things out, but it seems like he doesn't want to communicate. I'm trying to respect his decision and give him space, but I wonder if we're both the assholes here. A lot of our relationship has been on my terms since we both came to college, and I never acknowledged how he was feeling, but that doesn't mean I don't care about him. I value him a lot and I want him to know, but it seems like he doesn't want to communicate. I can't tell if I'm being too pushy or if he's being too avoidant. Oof. Let me tell you something, he's definitely thinking you are being pushy and you are thinking he's being avoidant, so it's both, but it's perspective wise. In this case, I really don't think you can do anything. I'm putting myself in your position क्योंकि मैं हमेशा ये मानती हूँ कि ताली दो हाथ से बजती है, और अगर तुम ताली बजाना चाहते हो और वो नहीं आना चाहता तो फिर यार तुम कुछ कर ही नहीं सकते, क्योंकि उसने दरवाज़ा बंद कर दिया तुम्हारे मुंह पे. अब तुम क्या करोगे? तुम खटखटाते रहोगे पर वो घर पे ही नहीं है. कमेंट्स देखते हैं. Nadi Ashlock, seems like you just had really poor communication from the start, and Bob has moved on and it doesn't seem like he wants to try again. You tried to rekindle the relationship and Bob doesn't seem interested. I don't think either of you are the Ashlock in this given situation, but you would be the Ashlock if you keep pushing, given that he's already given you his answer. अगर तुम एक बार कोशिश करो, तुमने दिखा दिया उस बंदे को कि you care, but उसने reciprocate नहीं किया, which is his clear signal telling you कि he doesn't anymore, and that's fine. That's fine. At this point, I'm actually talking to myself. I love these reading Reddit videos on YouTube. मेरे को देखने में बड़ा मज़ा आता है. So I thought कि let's give it a try myself, and what better unsolicited advice than talking about friendships on my account. थोड़ा niche change कर रही हूँ guys, थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है experimentation में, शायद views कम आए, शायद views ज़्यादा आए, देखेंगे हम उस हिसाब से. But yeah, you should go subscribe to my other main channel जहाँ पे मैं गाना गाती हूँ, and you should comment down below. You should hit the bell icon ताकि every Wednesday जब videos आएंगी you will get to know. I'm going to meet you super soon. Till then, bye. What is this bye? Till then, bye. Be uniquely crazy. Peace.